Laundry Nightmare. David likes to stay at home and relax over the weekend. On Sunday night, as usual, David was lying on his bed, eating chips and watching his favorite drama. It was then that David noticed his laundry basket filled with dirty clothes. It struck David that he had not washed his clothes for a week, so he hastily put his clothes in the washing machine. Afterwards, David returned to his bedroom and continued watching the drama, only to accidentally fall asleep. The next evening, when David was about to take a shower, he noticed that his laundry basket was nowhere to be found. Not until that moment did David recall that he had done the laundry the night before. David hurried to take his clothes right away. However, when he took out the clothes, they gave off a terrible smell. So, he had to wash them again.